juggling balls. Hey there, friends! It's time for some jokes and joy with Dora the Clown.
Swinging on a trapeze. And Jones the monkey, too. Let's have some fun.
Laughs. Why did the banana go to the doctor?
Why?
Because it wasn't peeling well. Laughs.
Laughs uncontrollably. Oh, Dora, that was hilarious.
Climbing a ladder. Jones, do you know why the music teacher went to jail?
Why?
For hitting the high notes. Laughs.
Swinging on a swing. That's funny, Dora. Can you show me how to juggle next?
With a microphone. And now, for our grand finale, a joke that will have you rolling on the floor, laughing.
Excited. I can't wait, Dora.
Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself?
Why?
Because it was too tired. Laughs.
Laughs? That's a good one, Dora.